Self-Esteem 101 Myths about Low Self-Esteem Part 1. 4 myths about low self-esteem. 1. People with low self-esteem are sad all the time. This is not true. People with low self-esteem are normal people. They can be sad or they can be happy. 2. Getting what you want will elevate your self-esteem. This is not the case. Self-esteem is a basic need. It's about self-love and self-worth. 3. Low self-esteem causes fear. This is not true. Fear tends to actually cause low self-esteem in many cases. 4. People with low self-esteem will never overcome it. This is definitely not true. People with low self-esteem can propel their self-esteem. At Nursery Empowerment Center, we teach you how to overcome low self-esteem and propel your low self-esteem so we can become a healthy self-esteem. Build your self-esteem and become your best. Contact us today at nursery.com. Better mindset, better you, better life.